Guys, oh my God, dalawang linggo lang yata akong hindi napunta dito kasi laging umuulan. Tingnan nyo naman kung ang tataas ng talahib. Dati halos ano daw siya, ganito lang kalataas. Ngayon grabe oh. As in talahiban na to. Hindi ko to nakita ng ganito kabushi na dito. Kakatakot maglakad kasi alam na guys. Diba? Oh my God. It's been 2 weeks straight already that it's been raining. And hoping that this week is going to be more warmer. That's how it says in the weather forecast. It's going to be 80s this kind of week. Which is right now guys is like oh my God, it's just beautiful, right? It's 80s as this time. It's like 12:30 something. So oh my God, it's super hot. Guys, ang ganda yung tingnan nakarinig na naman ito na. Nakakarinig si Duncan ng mga truck ng But anyway, have a good day guys.